Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the new important point from the organic synthesis, that is Ruppe rearrangement reactions. This Ruppe rearrangement reaction, it is proceed with acid catalyzed. Therefore this reaction is known as acid catalyzed rearrangement reactions. In the Ruppe rearrangement reactions, there is use of tertiary alpha acetylenic terminal alcohol reacted in presence of acid catalyst to form alpha beta unsaturated ketones compound rather than the corresponding alpha beta unsaturated aldehydic molecules. Now, what are the requirement and condition for this reaction? We can explain. The first one, nature of substrate molecules. Here, for this Ruppe rearrangement reaction, there is use of alpha acetylenic. These are the acetylenic terminal alkyne molecules. Then these are the alpha carbon atoms substituted with tertiary alcohol. Then the second main requirement for this reaction is reagent molecules. Here there is use of acid as a catalyst for the reaction. Here the amino acids, like you can use as a H2SO4, acetic acids, formic acids, or any Lewis acid you can use for these reactions. Then product formations for this Ruppe rearrangement reactions. Here there is formation of alpha beta unsaturated ketone compounds, that is carbonyl compounds, rather than the aldehydic compounds. Now the general reactions, the Ruppe rearrangement reaction take place in presence of the terminal alkyne having tertiary alcohol molecules reacted in presence of acid catalyst, that is Ruppe rearrangement reactions in presence of acid catalyst to form, these are the two main groups, alcohol as well as terminal alkyne molecules can be converted in presence of acid catalyst to form this final product. Now we can explain the step by step conversion of this reactant molecule toward the product formations, that is the detailed mechanism of these reactions. Now step first, there is protonation. Take this molecule is reacted in presence of acid catalyst, here H plus ions. Now this substrate molecule contain the oxygen contain two non-bonded pair of electron. Therefore this oxygen act as electron donor toward the electron deficient H plus ions to form a new bonding between the H plus ions and the electron donor oxygen atom to form. Now in this molecules there is elimination take place, like E1 elimination of H2 to form, here the carbon eliminate water molecule. Therefore this carbon contain positive charge, that is formation of carbocation. CH2 containing hydrogen atoms shifted toward the bonding electron toward the electron deficient carbocation ions to form. In step second, the anion intermediate reacted in presence of H plus ions. From this anion intermediate, the triply bonded carbon atoms act as electron donor toward the electron deficient H plus ions. Then there is formation of two possible carbocation ions. Here the pi bonded electrons shifted toward the H plus ions and to form two possible carbocation ions. Here suppose there are two carbon atoms, the H plus ions can be bonded between these carbon atoms or this carbon atom. Therefore there is possibility to form two different carbocation ions, but according to the stability order we can explain here which carbocation ion is more stable and the which product is a major product, as well as the possible product formation from this reaction. Now here the first case, suppose therefore this carbon contain positive charge, and in the second possible carbocation ion formation, therefore this carbon atom formation of carbocation ions. According to the stability order, the first carbocation ions is conjugated between this pi bonded electron, therefore there is shifting of this pi bonded electron to form a more stable carbocation ion. Therefore in this carbocation ions there is stabilizing group adjacent with this carbocation ions, but in case there is no any stabilizing group, therefore these are the more stable carbocation ions and these are the less stable. Therefore uh, from this Ruppe rearrangement reactions there is a formation of alpha beta unsaturated ketones rather than the aldehydic molecules. If you have formation of this carbocation ions, then it gives aldehyde molecules, but according to the stability order, these are the this carbocation ion adjacent with the stabilizing group, that is pi bonded electron, therefore these are the more stable carbocation ions and it give alpha beta unsaturated ketones rather than the aldehydic molecules. Here this carbocation ions is reacted in presence of water molecules. In water molecules, the oxygen contain two non-bonded pair of electrons. They are act as electron donor toward the electron deficient carbocation ions and to form here the newly bonded groups like OH2. The oxygen contain positive charged oxygen atom, therefore the deprotonation take place, there is elimination of H plus ions to form, that is these are the final product. Now according to this, these are the functional group, these are the alpha position, these are the beta, therefore the alpha beta is unsaturated molecules, that is double bonded molecules, therefore and here the nature of this carbonyl groups is Q2 groups, therefore the name of this final product is alpha beta unsaturated ketones as a final product of these reactions. Now we can explain here the one application of Ruppe rearrangement reaction. Here these are the substrate molecules. In this substrate molecule, the alpha carbon atom substituted with tertiary alcohol as well as terminal alkyne molecule reacted in presence of acid catalyst. Now according to this reaction mechanism, in this step first, the oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electron act as electron donor toward the electron deficient H plus ions and to form a new bonding between the electron donor oxygen and electron acceptor H plus ions to form the molecule like the water molecule eliminate, that is elimination of water molecules to form carbocation ions. Here are the symmetrical hydrogen atoms, therefore any one of these molecules eliminate to form when reacted in presence of H plus ions. Now the triple bonded electrons shifted electron toward the H plus and to form another new carbocation like here there is formation of more stable carbocation ions, that is these are the double bonded electron conjugate between this positive charged carbon atoms, therefore these are the more stable carbocation ions are the reacted in presence of water molecules. The oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electron act as electron donor toward the electron deficient carbocation ions to form here the deprotonation take place. This bonding electron shifted toward the electron deficient oxygen atoms and there is elimination of H plus ions to form enol molecules. These enol can be tautomerized to form keto molecules. Here this bonding electron shifted, then abstraction of H plus ions take place. to form a final product of this reaction, alpha beta unsaturated ketone molecule. These are the application of Ruppe rearrangement reaction. Here I have given two practice examples. You can write correct mechanism as well as product of this reaction and then send answer of these reactions.